Roadmap to become an iOS developer. What does an iOS developer do? An iOS developer builds applications for Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, and Apple Watches. Where it's used, iOS apps are everywhere, from social media and entertainment to finance, healthcare, and productivity tools. Start with the basics. Understand the iOS ecosystem, including how apps work and run on Apple platforms. Learn Swift programming. Learn Swift to write efficient and modern applications for iOS devices. Work with Xcode. Use Xcode to design, build, and test iOS applications. Learn UI development. Understand SwiftUI or UIKit to create responsive and user-friendly interfaces. Understand app functionality. Learn how to work with APIs, data storage, and app architecture. Test and debug apps. Use tools and techniques to test, debug, and improve app performance. Deploy your apps. Learn how to publish apps on the App Store. Build real projects. Create real applications to gain hands-on experience and build a strong portfolio. Be ready for challenges. Working with frequent updates, strict guidelines, and performance optimization can be challenging. Think like a developer. Focus on user experience, clean design, and efficient performance. Build iOS apps. Start your journey today and become an iOS developer building apps used by millions.